Hello, my name's Marcus. This is the fourth tutorial on bringing in your custom model weapon into Doom 3. Sadly, this is going to be the boringest weapon tutorial in the group. We're going to be getting our textures ready and working with our files. So first of all, you want to be bring your textures you've used for your 3D model onto the desktop. Mine was in metals, and I used brass D, and I'm also going to bring out the specular. Okay. Make sure that they're also in the TGA format and in the right pixel ratio that Doom 3 uses. You should all know that. And if we go into models, items, cult world, and we put them in there, like so. And with that done, let's create the material file. Notepad, and let's start. Models, it's in items, let's have a look. Models, items, our next folder is cult world, and our textures are in there. And it's just brass. Okay, let's open this up, and our diffuse map, and I'm just going to copy that, and it's d.tga, and then we need to put in the specular map, and I'm just going to copy that again, and it's S, and let's close that off, and we'll save that as all files, weapons.mtr, and save. And that's that done. But there's a few other things that we need to do, and let's do that now. Actually, we'll go back into items, and if we load up our cult.ase file, and we'll make some changes to this. Okay, so first of all, let's load up our material file so we can just copy and paste this stuff in. Let's bring that in there like so, and it's in base. Okay, just accidentally remove the speech marks there. I'll just turn all these the other way around. Okay, and we'll save that because I've only used one texture, so we don't need to search for any more. And right, the next thing we need to do is go to MD5, weapons, pistol view, and there's an MD5 mesh file in here. If we double click on that, use Notepad to load it up, and there's our texture. So again, I'm just going to select that and paste it in like so, and you'll see various other textures used, like the arm and everything, the hands texture. And with that done, I'm going to save, close that down, and if we go back into pistol world, there's also a mesh in here, world pistol, and let's scroll down, and there should be a texture file here. That is probably it, but it's gone a little bit strange. So let's paste that in there. Okay, file, save, and that should be done. actually. It's probably there instead, but it'll do. Okay. Save, and that's the textures done. Okay. Lastly, what I'll do in preparation of the next tutorial, just so we've got more time to discuss what's going on in the next tutorial, I'm going to go to my program files, go to Doom 3, base folder, pack 000, load that up. I want the def file, the def folder, open that up, and what we'll need is the weapon pistol.def, and we'll put that in there. And we also need the player.def, and we'll put that in there as well. So we've created our weapons material file. We've brought in 2 definition files we're going to be looking at in the next tutorial, and we've sorted out all our files ready to be brought into the game. It was a short tutorial, and it was hopefully painless, and I hope you understood it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, and we'll get this weapon in the game. I'll see you then.